Hi everybody. Let's start today's class. It is chapter Surface Areas and Volumes of class 9, exercise 13.6. Exercise 13.6 is based on the volume of cylinder. So okay. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h, where is r is the radius of the base, or means radius of the cylinder, and h is the height of the cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. And volume of material of the hollow cylinder. Suppose this is the hollow cylinder, inside is hollow part. Okay. So if it is made of metal or wood or anything, its volume is pi r2 square capital R square minus small r square into h. Capital R is outer radius and smaller is inner radius. Inner cylinder radius is smaller and capital R is outer cylinder radius. Okay, so formula is pi r square minus capital R square minus small r square into h. Okay, now exercise 13.6 first question is, the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? Given 1000 centimeter cube is equal 1 liter. Okay, what has asked, how many liters of water can it hold? Means volume, means capacity of the water we have to find out of this cylinder, where has given the circumference of the base, this one 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference of the base is 2 pi r, that is equal to 132. 2 pi r is equal to, now 2 pi will, as a reciprocal, it is 7/22 into half, it is 21 centimeter. Okay, if you cancel it, you can check it is 21 centimeter. So radius we have got. Now volume of the cylinder, it's pi r square. So pi is pi 22/7, r 21 into 21, r square it is, and h is 25. By calculating, it is 7 3s are 321 is 63. So 21, 63 and 25, that is coming. So okay, that is divided by 1000, means we have to change into volume to capacity. 1000 centimeter cube is equal 1 liter, so it is this upon 20, so 34.65 liter it is. Okay, so capacity of the cylindrical vessel is 34.65 liter. Question number 2, inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 25 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of the wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. 1 centimeter cube wood has a mass of this, that means it is the density. 0.6 gram per centimeter cube is the density. Okay, we have to find out the volume and we have got density here. So mass we can find out by the formula. Now here, inner radius smaller, already I have shown you, this is the inner radius is the smaller. So okay, and outer radius from here to here, it is the capital R. So okay, inner diameter has given 24, radius is 12 centimeter, outer radius is 28/2, it is 14 centimeter. Length of the pipe has given 35 centimeter. Now volume of the wood used in making the pipe is pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h, means volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Okay, that is the volume of wood. Now it is pi h is the common, pi h r capital R square minus small r square, we can write it a plus b, a minus b, to make easier calculation. Okay, so pi into h into r1 plus r2, r1 minus r2, That is, if you calculate it, it is 5720 centimeter cube. It is the volume. Density, already I have told you, 0.6 gram per centimeter cube. So mass is equal to volume into density. It's okay. In physics already we have done, or in maths you can do it. So mass equal to volume into density. So volume into density, it is 3432 gram. We can change it into kg by dividing it by 1000. Okay, 1000 gram is equal 1 kg. So divide it by 1000, it is 3.42432 kg. Okay. Third question is, a soft drink is available in 2 packs, a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 centimeter, width 4 centimeter, having a height of 15 centimeter. Length, breadth, height we have got. Of a rectangular means cuboid. It's okay. Cuboid tin can. Okay. Second is a plastic cylinder with cylindrical base. It is the cylindrical shape. Okay. Diameter 7 centimeter. Radius is 7.2 centimeter. Then height 10 centimeter. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? So okay. Now check it. One rectangular means cuboidal shape, cylindrical tank. It's okay. And another, it is the cuboidal tin can, and another one is, it is the cylindrical shape plastic can. Okay. Volume of this, length into breadth into height. Length, breadth, height we have got. So it is 300 centimeter cube. Now cylindrical can, its volume is radius 7/2 centimeter, height 10 centimeter has given. Volume is pi r square h. Okay, r square means 2 times you have to write r into h. It is 385 centimeter cube. It was 300 centimeter cube and this one is 385. So clearly you can see 385 minus 300 means only 85 centimeter cube is the cylindrical can, is greater volume than the cuboidal tank. So okay, that I have written here. Question number 4. If the lateral surface of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square, lateral surface of the cylinder, its formula is 2 pi rh. So we can write it 2 pi rh is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. And height has given 5 centimeter. Find the radius of its base and volume of the cylinder. So whatever has given, its formula we have to write. So lateral surface of the cylinder is 2 pi r is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. That we have to write in this way. From here h has given, r we have to find out. Okay. So now substitute the value of h. It is the 5. So it is 2 pi value in question has given. Pi we have to take 3.14. So 2 pi r h is equal 94.2. So r is equal to, this all terms will come as a denominator. It is, if you change it in decimal point, if you remove, it is 100 and it is 10. Now calculated, it is coming 3 centimeter. That means the radius of the base is 3 centimeter. Got it? Very easy calculation it is. Next question is volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder, its formula is pi r square h. Now substitute the value of pi r and h. Pi r square h. It is 141.30 centimeter cube. It is the volume. Okay. Thank you very much. In next video, I will explain you question number 5 to question number. In this chapter, there are 8 questions. Okay. Question number 5 to question number 8. Thank you very much.